So this is the next question. The equilibrium constant at 298 Kelvin for a reaction A plus B gives C plus D is 100. If initial concentration of all four species were 1 molar each, then equilibrium concentration of D in mole per liter will be. The first option given is 0.818. The second option given is 1.818. The third option is given 1.182 and the fourth option is 0.182. So let us solve this question. हमारे पास रिएक्शन है A plus B. This gives us C plus D. The concentrations are 1, 1, 1 and 1. These are initial concentrations. अब यहां पर अगर मैं रिएक्शन कोएफिशिएंट निकालता हूं, that is QC, this will be equal to 1. And QC हम देख सकते हैं, QC is less than KC. So reaction will shift in forward direction. ये रिएक्शन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाएगी, तो एट इक्विलिब्रियम A में से X अमाउंट डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ A विल बी 1 माइनस एक्स, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ B विल बी 1 माइनस एक्स, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ C विल बी 1 प्लस एक्स and D is 1 plus x. So these are the concentrations. So equilibrium constant Kc will be equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x into 1 minus x, which is equals to 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. So Kc की वैल्यू कितनी है 100. So this is 100 and 100 is equals to 1 plus x by 1 minus x square. So इसका स्क्वायर रूट ले लेते हैं हम. So we'll get the result 10 is equals to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So we can calculate the value of x from here. 10 minus 10x equal to 1 plus x, or I can say 11x equal to 9, या फिर x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 9 by 11. This is the value of x और हमें concentration of D निकालना है. So concentration of D is equals to 1 plus x, that is 1 plus 9 by 11. So 1 plus 9 by 11 सॉल्व करके हमारे पास क्या आएगा, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 20 by 11 या फिर 1.818. सो यहां पर हम ऑप्शंस में देखते हैं कि कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट आंसर है. सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन में हम देख सकते हैं द करेक्ट आंसर इज 1.818. सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन द ऑप्शन 2 विल बी द राइट आंसर. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So this is the next question. Which one of the following ores is best concentrated by froth flotation method? The first option is siderite, the second option is galena, the third option is malachite and the fourth option is magnetite. As we know, froth flotation method is best suited for sulfide ore, and here we have only one sulfide ore, that is galena PBS. So for this question the correct answer is option number 2. Now let us move to the next question, which says at 300 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere pressure 15 ml of a gaseous hydrocarbon requires 375 ml air containing 20% oxygen by volume. For complete combustion, after combustion the gases occupy 330 ml, assuming that the water formed is in liquid form and the volumes are measured at same temperature and pressure. The formula of the hydrocarbon is, the first option is C3H8, second option is C4H8, the third option is C4H10 and the fourth option is C3H6. So in this question none of the option matches. If first option is the correct answer, let us say the first option is the correct answer, C3H8 plus oxygen, this gives us 3 moles of CO2 plus 4 moles of H2O. So we'll get 5 moles of oxygen. So per ml of C3H8 we need 5 ml of oxygen. So for 15 ml C3H8 we need 75 ml oxygen, which is 20%